We no need to find sugar at all. Sugar don come. My people, my kings and queen, una dey see wetin I dey see so? Una dey hear wetin I dey talk so? Date na real good fruit wey you go apply as sugar o. Because sugar no be natural something, date na natural something. Date na wetin good for many things wey I wan open una eye to see o. Babies need am, hubby need am o. You yourself, you need date. In fact, everybody need date o. Because wetin date dey give person, I no sure say you go fit buy am for market. And dis date wey we dey talk for here so, na small money na you go take get am. My people, I greet all of una. God go bless una o. My returning, God go bless una. My new subscribers, and God too go dey bless una. Make no forget to like, share this video, and also una subscribe. My people, una see this date so? People never know the secret behind this date so. The hidden secret behind am, e plenty. Date na one thing wey you go fit even add for your baby pap if you like to add. Una know say I fit talk about tiger nuts for my other video. Una go check am out. I talk say tiger nuts dey very good o. But una see tiger nuts and date na different thing entirely. Dates, you fit use date take drink garri. Una make e dey Africa, una suppose to know wetin I dey talk. Date too sweet, na sugar. In fact, as e be natural sugar when e get, e still sweet pass the artificial sugar wey we dey see o. My people, this one no be joke. Na the fact I dey tell una. If you wan apply am for your baby pap, either you soak am join am and you go grind am join that baby pack, then you come sieve am. E dey very easy well. My correct people, if na adults too you wan take add am too, you go fit still your blend the date. Make sure say the date not too dey hard so that e go fit blend. This date wey una dey see so, a lot of person never know the secret behind this date. Date get different nutrients wey e dey give us o. And date na fruit. Date also dey help our eye. Una see this our eye so, some people get eye issue. Some people sef dey no fit even dey see well. Na the secret I dey reveal to una now o. You fit dey take date all the time. Take am but no eat the seed. No try swallow the seed because the seed no dey okay. Wash am, take the body, eat am. You go like dates, because all these things so na our body need o. Our body no need artificial. Our body need natural things. Now you go see now and then a lot of persons dey sick different kinds of sickness when they not even know where the thing for come. Sometimes wetin we eat for our body e matter o. Make we try dey look wetin we dey chop before we dey take am dey put for our body. My people, my kings and queen, my omonge o. These dates when we dey talk for here so, if you wan give hubby, you fit see blend am join fruits or another fruit together. Sieve am. So if you wan make e dey very smooth, you go give hubby, make hubby still take am too, because in dey mie. My people, una see these dates like this, you see dey help baby o, dey build their immune system. Yes, una know say baby as in dey come up, a lot of good natural things na good for them o. We no need to dey give them sweet sugar, because the sweet sugar wey we go dey give baby, them too e still get effect for their body. But as to make everything blend together, we need to dey give them natural things. Na im make am even for everywhere e dey advisable as mama when e dey grow e pikin, make e no use too much sugar for e baby o. Because natural things plenty when you go fit use for your baby. even for your own self and for your husband. Those of una make you get husband o, and those of una when you get wife, e still good make you dey take this date, because this date fight against many things, against many disease. In dey fight am well for inside body. And secondly, my people, una know say I talk before say date good for our eye. A lot of persons no know this thing, so just like the way onion stay good for our eyes, na so date stay good o. And date dey very powerful. Na e good make we dey take am, because some persons sef the way they take dey use their eyes on every day, e dey affect them. But if you dey take all these things, e go dey help the eye well o. My correct people, my kings and queen, hi, this secret make we dey review, so we need to dey take am o, because they say na earth na im be wet, na earth na im be number one o. Person wey e no dey okay, e no go fit do anything at all. Una suppose to know wetin I dey talk for here. So we need to dey mindful for wetin we dey eat. A lot of persons go just see food, anyone wey e enter mouth, they say anything belle face. No be so. My people, we need to dey take precautions, and we also need to know wetin we dey take. Una see all these things, so when I just dey talk for here, so when some people dey abandon, some people not really care about am, they dey very effective, and they dey very good for our body. My people, make I shock una with this one. This date, so e dey fight against cancer. Yes, I no say e go cure am o, I say e dey fight against am when you dey take am awful and awful. No be say you go take am today, you go still take am next 3 months. No, dey take am all the time. Let am be the part of the list of fruit when you dey take for your house, because na very good thing, and e dey very affordable. And my correct people, una see this date like this, some people dey fear say if they take this date, or if they buy am put for house, e go spoil. Date no go spoil. The way you go take preserve am make e no take spoil, you go fit put am, dry am for outside, or dry am for sun, so make sun meet am, e go fit stay long for us. As many times you want make e stay for you, e go stay. And you fit dey take am small dey eat am. And if you soak am, if you sun am make e dry, and you wan use am for pap for baby, you go see as well soak am. Anyhow, if you wan grind am